Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. We've been marking around for some time. 12 days. We've been kind of going sideways. Let me see. Yeah, we've been in and out within this 11% range. Not much volatility, I would say. There are two things that could happen though at this point of time, right? We are still anticipating Bitcoin to eventually head lower, but at the same time, we could be in a broadening wedge, which could be a continuation towards the upside. We have a target over here. I'm not so sure if we're going to be hitting it. A target over here at around 90,000 plus, but we still need to see the chart pattern complete first. The inverse head and shoulders is expected. US elections, DJT wins, pam, we go parabolic, but as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. Right, we've also touched the skinny pink line, so at this point of time, things just aren't really that clear. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. We're still under the skinny pink line. Again, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we respect the bearish trend. We're still in a bearish trend. How much lower are we going to go? We don't know. If I had to assume, right, we're probably going to the low 0.03s. Well, 0.044. 0.03 will take us around this area. Right. So potentially a little bit more downside. If this doesn't hold, we're going to clear these lows and potentially clear these lows as well. So for Ethereum, yeah, it doesn't really look that good, at the moment. But if you could look at the big picture, right, this whole thing is a big squeeze ABC DE, even if we were to drop and clear these lows, right? In my opinion, I think this is an opportunity if we do drop that low. The thing is, there's just no clear tradable chart pattern for FBDC. Right, the only indicator that we have is the skinny pink line. So as long as we're under it, yeah, we remain with a bearish bias for FBDC. ETH against USD is under the skinny pink line. So for me, I think that Ethereum is heading much lower. Again, just like the BTC pair, Ethereum will probably be completing a wave C, something like that. So the next noisy area we're gonna head to is here, around this area, past 2000. Right now at 2006, could there be a rally back? Yeah. Yep. If you zoom into the smaller time frames, let's say 4 hours, right, you see there's a little bit of noise here. So I'm assuming that we're going to head towards like plus minus 2009. And after that, we form maybe a head and shoulders here. And that's it. We go lower. That's my expectation. So Ethereum is already in a bearish trend. We're clearly under the skinny pink line. So more downside for Ethereum. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. BNB is still above the skinny pink line. One of the very few coins that's still in a bullish trend. More outside, yeah, more likely than not. The next noisy area is over here. So we are consolidating for a move. Very likely for a move towards the upside over here, which is at 0.011. Any chart pattern? Yeah, no. It's just not clear. All we have working for us is a consolidation here. Some noise over here. More likely than not, yeah, these dots are going to connect. Connect the dots. BNB against USDT. We've touched the skinny pink line. So from the USD perspective, BNB doesn't really look that good. It should not be touching the skinny pink line. This means that the end may not be too far away. Right? If BTC drops, very likely BNB is going to drop as well. It's just that maybe when BTC drops, BNB doesn't drop as hard, you see. So yeah, we have to look at the BNB BTC pair as well. But we've touched the skinny pink line. The moment you touch the skinny pink line and there's a strong rally back up, this is what we would call a get out rally, because we're anticipating much more downside. Solana, of course I could be wrong, right? Of course. Solana against BTC. Okay, Solana is still above the skinny pink line, but it doesn't feel like we're going any higher. Could we? Of course. Right. But technically we're still in a bullish trend. We're still above the skinny pink line. But if you were to ask me, right, I think we're coming back down for a C. A, B, C. We're coming back down, more likely than not. So as it stands, yeah. I mean, of course, we could see a little bit of a rally first, right? There's still room to go. This is the all-time high. There's still room to go before we hit the all-time high. And we could still come back down, form a head and shoulders. That's it. Solana goes lower. But as it stands, yeah, it doesn't look that good to me. Sol against USD. Again, touch the skinny pink line. This is not good, boys and girls. It's just not good. Again, mountains. Dropping lower? Not too sure. Touch the skinny pink line. There's a rally. This is what you call it. Get out rally. So, what's the story, Morning Glory? It's just not really that clear. Right, for Sol against USD, yeah, we don't really have much room to go for the USD pair. So, potentially, we could be heading much lower. How much lower? Sub $80. Right now, we're 142. So, as it stands, nope, doesn't look that good to me. I'm anticipating a big bearish trend to start for crypto in general. So be very, very careful about going long, right? There's a lot of euphoria. People are saying that, oh, the alt season is still going to come. And of course, sure, great. I could be wrong. But as it stands, technically, based on what I see, things are not looking good. XRP against BTC. We are, okay, for XRP BTC, just a gentle reminder that there is a big head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? We are in a rally right now for XRP. Sure, XRP could still go much higher. We could still break the skinny pink line and go much higher, right? The noise is around this area. So if you could just go all the way back up, then this would be a potential 60 to 70% move for XRP BTC, which would translate to XRP breaking its so yeah, XRP can be seen from two perspectives, from a bullish or bearish perspective. From a bullish perspective, this is a potential ABCDE and a breakout to $1.60. And then maybe we consolidate a little bit more before the next leg up towards $6.10. But as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure, right? And we're still within the confines of the falling wedge, falling channel, until we truly break it with big volume. As it stands, we could still muck around all the way until 2025 before a big break comes. So as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. So be careful about rushing to a trade for XRP. Toncoin, okay, Toncoin is still good. One of the very few coins that's still good. Toncoin is still above the skinny pink line on the daily. So the trend is still bullish, just like the BTC pair, just like Solana BTC. We are potentially continuing higher. Again, I can't say for sure. We could take out these highs over here first before coming back down. But it feels to me like we are, forming just marginally higher highs. And this means that potentially a bearish reversal could be in the cards. Ton against USD. We are... Okay, bro. Let's look at it on Gate. On the USD pair, we still have a target over here. Ta-da! $13.50. We are still anticipating it to hit. Yes, it does look like mountains. Mountains. 1, 2. It could be another mountain here, but there's a strong rally back up. You see that? So my anticipation for Ton is we go higher to 1350. One of the very few coins that are still in a bullish trend, that still has more gas, in my opinion, in its tank to head towards the target of 1350. Not many coins still has gas in the tank, but Toncoin seems to still have gas in the tank. We're at $7. We're probably gonna muck around here and there. Sure, we could still come back down here, but we anticipate us to form something like a symmetrical triangle kind of a consolidation as we head higher to $13.50. Dogecoin, Doge against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is not doing much. Again, we're not too sure what's going to happen towards the downside. Are we going to stop here, bounce, or are we going to hit even lower towards around 105? We're 172 right now. And it feels to me like we could be heading lower eventually. Sure, there could be rallies here and there. But again, we're still largely under the skinny pink line. Sure, there were several times where we broke above, but we're still largely under the skinny pink line. So in my opinion, be very careful about rushing to a trade too soon. This whole thing is a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. Preceding trend was bullish. Subsequent trend, we're anticipating bullish as well. But the question remains, where is the bottom? Is this the bottom? Doesn't feel like it, right? Feels like we are gonna break it. Feels like we're gonna break it. Where are we gonna find support? Yeah, around this area. So prepare for a little bit more downside. Hopefully it's in a very controlled manner though. Then hey, hopefully we complete the falling channel and then Bam! Payments on X. Dogecoin goes bananas. Doge against USD. We are under the skinny pink line, which is not good. Again, Dogecoin could be forming an descending triangle. Oh my god, this could be a collapse of Dogecoin. So as it stands, yeah, we're not entirely sure. Doesn't look good to me. Feels like once we hit the support and we bounce and bounce a little bit more, I think Dogecoin is gonna collapse. Very big towards the downside. Right. It's best that we start seeing strong buying pressure coming in. If not, we're gonna be heading back towards the support line. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Dogecoin. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it and see you in the next one.